I just want to show you this beautiful modern fan. It's got a lovely light. One thing I love about this is that it has 2 cords and they are engraved with what they are used for. This one is used for the fan, this one is used for the light. If you pull the light, it will come off. If you pull the fan one, you will get your fan going nice and fast. The fan does have 3 speeds. It's big enough to fill up this whole living room with lots of air, and I really like the aesthetic of it. It's very modern looking, very effective, and I think just overall a nice fan. You can also switch the directions, and there you have it.